Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the online session organized by Skillveda. At Skillveda, we empower your growth with expert-led learning that's flexible and tailored to you. From courses to workshop, we offer skill building opportunities to unlock your potential and boost your career. Partner with us to level up. Welcome to today's fifth class of the certification course on AI. In this session, we will dive into the world of more advanced AI tools, explore best practices, and overcoming common challenges in AI tools. Let's extend a warm welcome to Ms. Porselvi, our expert trainer. She is a CBSE resource person, educationist, and consultant. With a rich experience in AI education, she is all set to guide you through this exciting journey. Welcome, Ms. Porselvi.
Thank you, G. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Purvi Ji.
Good
Am I audible?
evening.
Yeah, you are.
Yes.
Amazing assignments, lot of images, videos, and everything you created. I think it was really stunning. So I immediately reacted for the images and videos sent by Twinkle Ji. Yes, great. Seriously, it was a good work. I think using GenTube, using ChatGPT images, and Flow TV was also used to create a 8-second video. Everybody did a good job. Yes, few of your works, like I think now we can go through. And later today, we are going to look at how to create PPTs and how extensively you can utilize the help of Note PPT. Now you're all attending webinar. From that webinar, like how much you have learned, what you have learned. Before I give you the session notes, or like you yourself, if you want to record all the notes, how to get a summary of the webinar which you have attended, or a movie which you have seen, or a YouTube video which you have seen. Okay, so today we're going to look at that, how to get the summary extract, how to get the summary from images, all these. From that, we are going to create a PPT. Yes, for that, I'm going to give you a very good tool. So that is our today's agenda, followed by some other experimental based simulation tools I'm going to teach you. So this is our today's agenda. Okay, quickly we'll move on to yesterday's assignment, last class assignment, day 4. Those you have shared, I'll just. Yeah, I think Curious Robot MP4 is created by, may I know who has created this?
I have done
hope
it, ma'am. Priya.
This is okay. Priya Ji has done. Very good. Yes. Which tool you used, ma'am?
Ma'am, the float tool,
Floating.
and I have actually created 2 different scenes and used the
Use
scene
scene
extender.
filter. Correct. Find in the stepwise instruction how to use, like use. I gave it very good. You have done. Good job. Yes. So
Thank you,
next
ma'am.
is Sai create. So see.
I think some network issues are there. Yeah, Sudhir ji, maybe network issues are there in at the trainer's place also. Let me check.
Sorry, there was a network glitch.
Yeah, that's
Am
the
I
thing.
audible, right?
Yeah, you are.
Okay. Oh, this was the photo album which I opened last year. Yes. Here, Twinkle, I'm just switching over.
Are you sharing your screen, poor Selvi ji?
Yeah, no. So the network issue again and again, there is a problem.
Yeah, it's
I'll
showing
just switch over
also
the network.
is low.
Just give me one minute of time.
Yeah.
Yeah, because here some climatic condition is not that good.
Yes,
Maybe because
maybe
of that.
because of
I'll
that.
just.
Till now, if anyone has any doubt, please go ahead. You can ask the
Okay.
doubts and
I think am I audible now?
yeah, you are audible and the screen is also visible now.
Visible, right? Okay, I switched over to mobile network. Let me see. Okay, this is Priya Ji's assignment. See, she has created, I think it's very much useful for Skillveda's promotion. Twinkle ji would be very much happier. All these she has created, transforming learning into clarities with whatever posted in the WhatsApp group. Priya ji, you have done an excellent job.
Thank you,
Appreciation,
ma'am.
applause.
Thank you.
Applause. Good. So this is through ChatGPT image, right?
Yes,
And one
ma'am.
poster also you have created for
And what I
something
have
success to. Hmm.
what I did is initially I took the information from the Skillveda website. What are the things that I can include in the poster? So I have
Very good.
tried out two different options for the first two where majority of the data is present. The other two,
Okay.
this one I have done it through GenTube. I could not
Hmm.
insert the text properly, so I copied it to ChatGPT. From there, I have inserted the text part.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so this one actually is shared to mine. Few other works also I received. Puri Modichi's work that was also amazing, and
Thank you, ma'am.
yeah.
When CRT G also
Yeah, Vencia.
Yeah.
Vencia tea also I received. Yes.
Yes.
I could
Yes.
see that even. Vencia ma'am has created some like composing of music with the music team. She has created some Skillveda poster. It was good. Since she has sent us a document separately, I couldn't share it in Drive. Okay, so that's the way that because of that I couldn't do it. Very good. People constantly you are doing the assignments and you are upgrading yourself with all the AI tools. Very happy.
Ma'am,
Okay, so now today's agenda
excuse
as
me,
I
ma'am.
state. Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, but I'm not able to access Flow TV AI, ma'am.
You are not able to access. Okay. You want me to teach again, like how it is?
No, in my system, it's not giving me access, ma'am.
You have to just log in, ma'am. It's free, of course, login only.
I have done that, but that too I have shared in the group.
Hmm.
It,
Okay. Then
it
what
is
is the
showing that
limitation?
experience and shape I tools for creativity, like that. I would like to receive marketing emails like that they have asked. I have given that too. And
There are
update
two
your
things,
data
ma'am.
and Google Flow,
No,
this
no.
notice like that
Flow
it is
TV
coming.
for business one is there. Maybe you would have clicked it. I shared you the link, URL link, I think. Use that and try. Maybe some other, you might have been redirected to some other page. If you
I
have
have tried that
redirected,
2 or 3 websites which was given there, ma'am.
hmm.
In all the websites, the same procedure has been arised, ma'am, at that time.
Okay, but I think Priya ma'am, she was able to create a video.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, one more
But I
time
want
you
to do
try.
that.
One more
That is
time you
very
can try.
interesting.
Hmm.
So I want to try that, but I am not able to access that web.
Yes.
Ma'am,
One more video tool is there in video. In video. So maybe
Mhm.
today you can try.
Okay.
I'll just give the URL. Yes, because
Yes,
too
ma'am.
many video tools are not showing and
Mm.
all are not free of cost. In video, when you create, you can just share it online. While downloading, you need to reduce the intensity. HD quality video we can't download. We need to reduce the intensity, then we can download that video. That's possible.
Okay, ma'am.
It would be like a blurry video. So that's the reason like I didn't show that in class also. This you can add more and more scenes, 8 seconds, 8 seconds, and you can make it 2 to 3 scenes together also. I can. That's possible.
Okay.
Yes.
ma'am, one more thing.
Yes, ma'am.
To make, I mean, many of the times what happens, we will not be able to remember all the URLs.
Yeah.
So what I generally do is I mean, it might be helpful to others who are here. What I generally do is whenever I open a link, if it is very useful to me, I create a separate folder in the bookmarks so that it is easy to access. Whenever you share the links for the apps or the platforms in the last class, I have bookmarked all those four. So I
Okay.
don't need to remember the URL actually. I
Don't
just
worry,
have to
ma'am.
go and click on it.
Right now, I'm sharing something on the screen. Can you see? See, this is just it's an outline. It's for me. Okay, it's for my remembrance and what all I completed, how much I did for all these. Sometimes even I use the same. For you, very well customized, like based on day 1, day 2, day 3, whatever we covered, all the URLs, everything I'll share you. It is ready. The presentation is ready already. Even I have shared a similar way, like a handout with subjects. You will be receiving this. I'll show you. See here. Okay. So each and every URL will also be there. If you just click, you will be taken to URL. This is a Word document. Okay. In video also I told you no. So this is there. I'll be giving you along with the link. No worries at all. Like this with URL. And just about that so that you can further, whenever you're opening this document, you will have a recap of it. It will be easy for you. At last, at the end of the session, you will be getting this document as a complete handout. Yes? This will be fine, no ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So now today we will move on to AI for creating PPTs. Yes. So what are the AI tools helpful for creating PPTs? One is Gamma. How many have used any of these? How many have used Gamma, Canva,
Ma'am,
Tome,
Gamma I
Visme?
have used.
Yes, ma'am. Gamma
Gamma.
you have used. Okay, fine.
Yes.
And one more, can you see this Prezi, which I am using right now? Can you see this logo? Prezi.
Yes.
Okay, so for
Yes, ma'am.
professional presentation makings, we can use this because it will have like the inbuilt animations and transitions will be there. And that too, like if I start to present, you can see how the way like it is getting presented. See, I'm just moving on to next screen, see how the way it is presented. You can see the difference. It will be somewhat like a very professional presentation. So this is Prezi's ultimate, the presentation tool. In this, what is the only drawback here? We can't like copy paste anything, like create a duplicate slide. That is not possible. You cannot download unless and until you get it as a premium version, but you can present it online. So using this present tool, you can just present it online. And you can create using AI also. AI assistant is available. So while starting this Prezi itself, prezi.com. You can use prezi.com. You can see the URL here. I'll put it in the chat box. This is my, actually, you can just take prezi.com alone. So prezi.com, if you take, I'll type it in the chat box. Yes, you will get the dashboard home page. So there you have to log in, sign up. So if it is the first time user, if you're a first time user, you have to sign up. After that, you need to log in with your Gmail ID. Then it will ask you like create presentation or whatever is required, like a poster, everything. Almost similar to Canva. And Visme also similar to Prezi. Visme and Prezi are like competitors for creating this business presentation. Exactly, classic presentations. So here it includes like infographic, the templates which is available and all. It will be up to the mark, like very much upgraded. The color themes, templates, all these, no, it will be visually appealing also. So here, as I stated, like from the dashboard, you can just type. I'm going to teach you one from Gamma. After that, I'm going to take you to Gamma only because right now I am in Prezi. We don't have much credits in Prezi. The same PPT you can slightly modify, edit, and you can do it. You can present online. But since you want to download and take it over in pen drive, you want to carry it to other system, in that case, this Prezi or Visme won't be helpful for you. Visme, you can download the template alone. That's possible. Whereas this Gamma, you can download the presentation. Note GPT is there. I'm going to show you. So that is very much helpful for you. From Note GPT, you can create, like summarize, and then take the content and bring it to Canva or Gamma for presentations. And Note GPT also presentation is there. So now Gamma AI PPT. So it's a free presentation tool. Okay. Similar way, even in Prezi, you will be getting the same. See here, create new. Right. All previously what and all I created, it is also listed. Recently viewed. Either I would have viewed it from the library or I might have created. So this is about, you can also import from somewhere and modify with the themes which is present here. That is also possible. Yes. And how much credits I have based on that. Monthly, the credits will be revised. Within a month, like limited presentation only we can create, but as teachers, we won't do much. So I think this workspace will be very much helpful for you. You can do it. If suppose if this is completed, all the credits are over, go for Canva to create a presentation or go for Note GPT. Note GPT is completely free, unlimited. You can do it. Yes, now create new AI. We are going to just generate what you're going to generate. Either are you going to create from template or you're going to paste the text. With that text, you're going to create a presentation or you're going to attach a file, import and do it, or right from scratch you're going to create. So whatever is it, you can do. Now, please somebody be ready for content. Can you just tell me what shall we create now? Create a PPT. Yes, on. Can you please tell me any topic?
Ma'am,
Yeah,
how to use AI tool?
same AI itself. Okay. On you, okay. Using AI tools in classroom alone, or you wanted somewhere else?
In classroom.
Okay. AI tools in classroom for teachers, for the benefit of teachers, right? And students also. Prompting should be very specific. From grade 6 and above, shall we make it, or for all the grades? Okay, KG to 12. Hmm? So this we can do. This is generate outline. How many slides are required? See, up to 10 slides only we can create in this. More than this, it's going to be like plus version and pro version. So we are not going to choose that. Okay, it is all paid version. Only up to maximum 10 slides we can create. And what is the default template? Again, Studio is something like Prezi, what I showed, no? So that's what. Every card will be embedded with a text and image like that. Here, editable. All these, like we can also insert and we can use our own layout blocks. Whereas here it is different, pro version. And we can go with the same. If you want to attach a web page or document, you can do it. So generate outline. Now outline will be created. If you want to modify anywhere, anything, we can do it. Yes. So we can do anywhere, anything is required, or additionally you want to add some more slide. Yes, tools with URL if you want to add one slide, and I will remove any other slide. Suppose if this is not required, right? I'll just remove this and I'm going to add a card. Okay, examples of AI tools with this URL and some output. I'll just give by random, just giving it. So 10 cards in total. Just give generating. Okay, just started creating. Since I said like K-12, it's giving something like a educationist defined presentation with statistical. Okay, so this is how it's creating. Now what you can do, you can directly present it, or if you want to download, so you have, you can share it. Presenter view is there. You can also present, you can share, you can edit. So editing is also possible. Instead of this image, you want to change the image. Yes, you want to add, this is for adding notes. Once again. Related to this, any other further notes if you want to add, you can add. So for yes. So here, backdrop, what do you want to add? Should it be in white color or you want to change something? Anything like card headers and footers. So these headings and all, if you want to change, you can use this edit option. Okay, what's the default card color? It is in white color. Like if you want to change it, like my, yes. So that way, and as an image also, as I told you, this image, just click edit. Yes, which image you wanted. So this is an AI generated image only, which is used. If you want to use some other image, you can also use that image. So it is related to that image. It's showing the source of the image actually, which image it is being taken. So, or you can also download that image, or if you want to change the image, edit with agent, you can edit with agent. Edit with agent, then click it, and you will get the prompt to change the image, and you can change it. So that's how we can do it. Normal like ChatGPT images already worked it, right? So that you can do it. Yes. So this is the way like where you can make editable presentations with your Gamma. Yes. So now we have got, you can see 10 slides. Look at here, the last slide which I have added is give me some AI tools along with the URL I said. So it has given me ChatGPT. So it's URL, Google Classroom, Khan Academy, Diffit. Diffit is also similar to Magic School AI, where if you give a PDF of your lesson, it gives you worksheet, lesson plan, question bank, everything you can generate, hard words, question answers, everything you can generate with Diffit. So similar to for academic programming, like it's very good. Diffit is a good tool. QReport, today I'm going to teach you. Next one, QReport. With inbuilt activities, you can create presentation. So I'll tell you. Canva also we are going to see. Quizzes already we have seen. So some of the examples for some AI tools which you can use in the classroom, it's given here. So this is how the presentation can be created. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, how do
Yes.
we download this
Yes,
presentation?
export. That's what I'm showing you.
Okay.
Export, or create from this, like you can share, like a duplicate, you can share. See, if you just export, it will ask you, right? Export it as PDF or export as PowerPoint, whatever is it. Yes, if you want to download it as a PowerPoint. Yes, your PowerPoint, click here to download it. Okay, clear now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
It is downloaded in my system, getting downloaded. Okay, fine. As a PowerPoint itself, I have downloaded. If you want as a PDF, you can do it. Yes, this is about Gamma. I think I can close this. Is there any doubt in Gamma? Do anybody have any doubt?
No, ma'am. No.
Everyone? Shall we move on to the next AI tool for creating presentation? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Canva. Canva is also similar. You can create a number of things using Canva. Say Canva PPT Maker or Canva.ai, anything you can just type on it. You will get Canva.com only. So presentations and slides for any occasion. Yeah. So now already I am logged in. So it is showing my profile here. He is there. Okay. So now create a presentation. And there will be a virtual tool to use all the tools inside the Canva. You want to include like any bar chart, okay, whatever the type of the charts or any images, like how you have to click and take in, drag and drop. All these are like a tour you can see here. Yes. So now just click create a presentation. Then you will be taken to the home page of how to create a presentation, the design sheet. Yeah. So these are the templates by default, which is available. Or if you just type, describe your logical design, say what you wanted to create. Suppose there are something like cutting of trees is given. Like what do you wanted to do? Yes. Travel across North India, South India, something shall I give? Travel to South India, maybe. Let's see like what template it is actually showing. If I just give generate, it generates a template or it generates a basic PowerPoint theme, complete theme with matching content also it will be there. I'll just give generate. See there. After that, you can design with the elements. All editing can be done. Yeah, it's showing lot of. See, let's go travel India. Okay. South. Since I mentioned the word South, South Korea is also. Travel to India. Travel to India is there. Many things. Colors of India. So many presentations already, templates which is generated. It is all given. Still, it's taking time to finalize something from all these. Yeah. Okay. You can see. Discover the beauty of South India. Wow, that's amazing. 1 of 6. So this template, if you are going to take it up, yes, just click good result. And you can, if you want to regenerate design, regenerate it. Okay. So this, if you want to apply, yeah, double click on it. Apply all 6 pages. It's showing. Yes. Otherwise, 1, 2, 3, 4, you can just selectively click like 1, 2, whatever you wanted. Apply all 6 pages. If you give, all the 6 pages will come here. Understood? Is that clear? Now, what are we
Yes,
going to do? Yes. Now, what are we going to do? Just look at these elements. These are some of the elements which is available. If you wanted any images of it, you can just type whatever the element. You want a chart or, okay, I wanted a statistical chart. Pilgrim centers in South India. So, which is very famous to visit and all that. Or hill stations in South India. Pilgrimage centers. Okay, it's correcting me. Pilgrimage centers. Now, if I just give search, yes, it's showing exactly. These are some of the charts available, right? Or some of the videos are also available if you want to include, but this is under Prime icon. The crown is there, right? So this is under Pro version. You can see here, Prime icon. So we can't go with that. Or if you want to include this frame, and you can also type in that each and every frame, like a organization chart. This can also be done. It is all up. Audio is there. Audio we can insert. Already like heroic pilgrimages, maybe some other audio blogs, audio podcast anybody has created. So that can also be introduced in our presentation. That's possible. Now, if you want a 3D pie chart, yes, we can do it. Let's take like one 3D pie chart. Yes, it is there. It has got inserted. Where you want to insert, you just decide. So here in this slide or any other slide, say, suppose like you can delete here, plus add page. It's an empty page. Now here I want to add this slide. Yes, and then click on this part, right click, you can see what and all you can do. Copy the slide, paste, everything is there. Now, this effects, okay, if you click this more also, you will get this name. Yeah, edit, give edit. Comment. So any comments related to that, it will be shown to you. Yes. So that comments you can type it. If you want to insert any text, you can see here what text. Add a text box. Add a text box, or you can just do magic write also. Magic write, if you give, describe your writing task in 5+ words. So okay. Suggest 5 important pilgrimage centers to visit in South India with X tourist visit rate. Rate or review. Yes, that we just give here. Yes, it's showing this. Now this you want to, okay, it's showing Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh, Rameshwaram, and so many. Sabarimala from Kerala. All these are like South Indian pilgrimage destinations. Just if you give insert, it gets inserted here as a text box. So now you can make it whatever you want to insert. So just like that, if it's a very small text box, please drag and drop here inside. That can also be done. It is all up to us. Yes. So position is also there, where to position it. And this is about, like, you can see here, you can just change it. You can just edit it. Whatever is the text available, if you want to change yourself, like you can delete and then change. Yes, it's editable. Everything is editable. Backwaters of Kerala, temples of the, like here I want to change the font, you can do it. Yes, font sizes can be increased, and you want to change some other font, any other effects to be given. Okay, uppercase, lowercase, all these like somewhat like Word formatting options are provided, but not everything. Not everything has to be used in Word or PowerPoint. Slight limitations are also there. And heading style we can use. If you want to add a heading, I just give add a heading. So this heading style. So what you wanted, this is going to be okay. Content or glimpse, something, content page. You can do it. Then just give like a heading, header, all these can be done. Yes. Page numbers you want to insert, or whatever, like any other magic, right? Font combinations, everything can be done. Font combinations, you don't want to go and manually change the word art and all. Like it is all there. You can just drag, pick it from. Yes, any doubt? Again, you can just directly present. It's a presenter view, full screen, autoplay is also there. You can do that. Or if you just go to share, see what is happening. If you just share, copy the link and share the link to others. Or you can just download, but custom link if you want to create, the link will come along with canva.com. Okay, we can't create our own link at all. If you just give download, it will ask you, like it will not allow us to download in few standard. See, which standard is suggested for printing standard as a PDF, you will get it. If it is going to be a PowerPoint, document, then if I just give download, yes, it is downloaded. Okay, it is already downloaded. Is that clear? Yes. So still you need to start working on. Already I said you audio how to insert, but video limitation is there. Yes. And uploads, like you can record yourself, like you want to voice out and record yourself, you can do. Background remove and all, it is under progress. See, all these you have to utilize these tools available. See, this is also a data table tool which is available. Table, you want to bring in any table, you can. All the elements and tools, no, either manually you can search and implement, or if you just click elements itself, it will show you here. Just type like whatever you want, prompt it out and search and get it. All your graphics, photos, charts, videos, frames, everything is available. See, shapes you want to bring in, arrow mark you want to bring, everything, just like how we do in PowerPoint or Word document, the same way of designing you can. Okay, just a second. Is that clear? Shall we move on to the next tool?
Yes, ma'am.
Canvas clear? Okay. Now I'm going to take you to a very beautiful tool called as Note GPT. I've closed it. Note GPT, I didn't mention here. It was there in previous slide, last slide itself. Okay, just type Note GPT. Yes, it is already there. Note GPT AI PPT Maker. Before going to PPT Maker, I'll just take you to Node GPT alone. Yes, you just see what is happening. NodeGPT.io. Your all-in-one learning assistant summarize. Yes, Node GPT. Just if you type the first URL, what is appearing itself, you just click on. Now you can log in and then try free now. Yes, already it is logged in. Previously I've done it, so it has taken me directly to this window. Now you all have to log in. After that, you could see here, there are so many icons and tabs available. 4 different tabs are available. This featured YouTube extension, you leave it. And these two you can do it. Already I showed you about YouTube Sans transcript generator, how the transcript is generated in YouTube. But this also does not very much helpful here. What we can do here is YouTube video summarizer. So just click on this YouTube video summarizer. Okay, paste any YouTube video link. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to search one of the video from Skillveda, what they have uploaded also. Okay. Yes, let's go to Twinkle. Twinkle shall I take that computational thinking video? Is it okay? Okay, think. Let's go. Yeah, it is there. Computational thinking, Skillveda. It was my previous session where I took for Skillveda. Yes. So now, yes, this is the one. This I have to log in. Okay, I have to log in through YouTube. To log in through YouTube. Skip all those advertisements. Yeah. Okay. Let's go to YouTube first. Right. YouTube.com. This particular link, URL, copy and then come and paste it here. Yes. Now generate summary. You see what is happening. Now we can close it. Yeah, we got it. Webinar on computational thinking by Skillveda. A complete summary of it. What and all I took this session. What I did. Okay, so my name is misspelled here. It's Porchelvi. Fine. Because orally, whatever we are uttering, that words may be misunderstood by AI. It can happen, right? Yes. What are the key highlights, the glimpses of the session, complete summarization of the content is given. What and all I did. Okay. Fine. So now I can just smart summary if you want. Yes. Take smart summary or like an infographic of it. See here which summary you want. Generate summary highlights or chapter summary, 4-point summary. So if I want a 4-point summary, you can just take 4-point summary, right? It will create and give you the 4-point summary. Yes, it's giving all important 4 points alone from the video it is speaking. So this is one way. Now what I'm saying, like if you want to create a mind map of the recording, the YouTube video. So it starts to generate a mind. Okay, that's done. So you can download this mind map as with watermark only it's available. Without watermark it is not there. Yes, it is getting downloaded. It is done. Okay. Now let's go through this mind map. You can see. Yeah, it's a very big mind map. Please use your Zoom icon. Yeah, here. Okay. Can you see? What are the major CPSE curriculum changes, pedagogical approaches, webinar introduction, and all that? Yes, you can just move here and there, still maximize. Yes, done. This is one. Okay, this is about mind map. Now I can also see this mind map. It is already stored, right? Using this, I can create a slide. If you want a slide to be created based on the attended webinar, yes, you can do it. Now the summary is also here, right? So this summary, I can just copy paste. It's possible. Copy paste and create a document. I think 4-point summary is not required. Up to this, I'll just take this. Okay. I'm just copying the content, right click copy and go to some Word file or somewhere. Word or Notepad, anything's fine. Blank document and I'll just paste it. Yes. So let it be anyway, like however you're copying, no need of any formatting, alignment, nothing to it. Just save this document, file, save as. Okay, I'm just taking summary. Okay, the name of the document is summary. Yes, let's have it and closing it. Now using this, you can create a PPT. It's possible. Or just come back from the summarizer. You go down. See here, PPT summarizer is also available. Video summarizer we have done. Image summarizer is also available. Word summarizer PDF, okay, or a document. That summarizer is available. Complete book, ebook, if you upload, summary can be, you can get the summary. This is the way like you can retrieve multiple summaries using the image or a document or an ebook or a PPT. Image summarizer, if you take, let me just upload any file, maybe a PNG image, I'll take it. Downloads. I'll take one of, okay, this is Skillveda simply. I'll just take, you see here, the image is uploaded and we will be getting the summary of it. You want a summary, we'll get the summary of it. Extract, it takes time to extract and get it. Let it go on. In the meanwhile, I'll create Notebook AI PPT Maker. Yes. So best AI PPT Maker. Before I used only Notebook, your all-in-one learning assistant. Okay, for summarizing. Now I'm using PPT Maker. See, you can see here, this is just notebook, notegpt.io. Now here it is, notegpt.io, AI PPT Maker. This is the difference. Like while typing, you just give in the browser, you're going to get the exact URL. Just go inside. It will ask you to log in again everywhere. Yes. Enter your presentation topic or paste your outline or full content. Everything is there. Either you just give, okay, create a PPT on the recent changes brought in by CBSE regarding computational thinking and artificial intelligence or the three language or about introduction of Kaushal both, whatever is it, you can do it. Yes. And which slides you wanted, you can choose it. Okay. You want to use GPT images or just classic slide designer, go for this itself, it's good. Or if you want to upload any file, now already one file I created, no, that summary file. I'll just take that summary file. Yeah, summary.document. And with that, let me create a PPT. Let's see how it is. Yes, generate PPT on this. It will generate. Okay, curriculum overview, timeline, all these. Any changes you want to make, add or delete. Plus is for adding, add a point. Delete is for deleting a point. Anything, whatever you wanted to do it. Continue generating if you give, still it will start to generate a PPT itself. Yes, that's all it takes. Few minutes. Okay, in the meanwhile, let's see. Yeah, we got it. Yes, the 4 points of Skillveda. Completely from this image, it has extracted all the points. You can see. Yes. Such a good tool, right? Okay. Because this is like an infographic. This is a poster which is full of information. So we call it as infographic. From infographic image, it has created a summary. So you wanted to know in detail about it? Yes. Any images, you can extract the point from this Note GPT. It's a very excellent tool and without any limitations, or limitations are there only while like with watermark, something like that. Whereas unlimited, yeah, PPT is generated. You can see here. Wow, great. You can just download it and edit. Very easy to handle. Download with animation, without animation. You can do it in any way. Yes, just download. Now, after downloading it as a PowerPoint presentation, you can open and alter the details, alter the content along with the font, apply any new background, whatever you want, everything. Within few minutes, you can complete your video. Is that clear? Only
Yes,
downloading
ma'am.
takes time because more
Yes,
slides are
ma'am.
there. Hope it is helpful for you because already you might be using only Gamma. What if Gamma has a limitation? Yes, after the credit gets over, then you have to switch over to some other PPT maker. So Canva is also there, but Canva again, pro versions, it limits the elements. It's very difficult to drag and drop all the elements, designing, because people, those who don't know designing, what they will do. But for designing a poster, those who are good at designing, those who want to use whiteboard while taking webinar, you can use Canva. Canva has under design tool, you have whiteboard also. You can also go and check it. Better than that, some other whiteboard is there. If anybody wanted, I'll tell you regarding that whiteboard tool. It's not AI tool, it's a normal online whiteboard. Canva also doesn't the same thing, not a AI tool. Yes. Yeah, it's downloaded. It's in downloads. Yeah, we got it. Yes. Now let me open PowerPoint presentation. It's opening. Okay. Give enable editing for us to edit. Customize. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Now, what all the areas like reporter whom we wanted to introduce? Okay, which date, whatever you want to edit, everything. It has come to the normal PowerPoint mode. Wherever you want, like okay, grouping, changing the content, changing the font, everything could be possible. Yes, you want to change the image? Yes, it's your wish now. Just delete it, press delete. Yes, it's done. Now you want to add, redo, control Z. All these are like come back to the normal mode of how to use the PowerPoint normally. So that's the way. Because we have downloaded it. Finish. Add thank you slide. Maybe some other image you wanted, some other like logo you want to insert, please insert. So this is the way. Is that clear? Any doubts? Do you have any other doubts? Shall I close this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. Yes. Now, this it has very good templates. You can download the template. Professional templates are available. I think now AI presentations are also with professional templates, so no need to just go and search for templates alone. It's not required. Business presentations requires more and more different infographic presentations. Requires a different template. So here also the template is shown. You can just see here. This is how you can change the template. Now instantly everything is available nowadays. Before we have to choose the template and accordingly we need to work on. Now it's available everything. Category you can give education. After that you can get it. This is also another way to change it. Maybe the same template you don't want to use it, you can change it. It's possible. This literally saves our time. This is about notebook presentation. Note GPT presentation. Any doubt? Any doubt in summarizing? Any
No.
other doubts?
No, ma'am.
Are you all clear?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now it's 7:56. Twinkle Ji. I think if anyone has any other doubts, you can ask me.
Ma'am, I just wanted one info. Now, see, we teach the students in the class, but sometimes what happens before during the exam, they need some kind of revision notes. So initially, when I used to study, we used to prepare something called as data sheets. That means a concise summary of the chapter. Is there any tool where if you upload the PDF of the chapter, it generates a data sheet similar to it so that we can give it to the
Yes,
students?
Notebook LM prepares that mind map, no?
Mind
Notebook
map
LM.
is fine, ma'am, but some
Ah.
children are not very comfortable in reading these mind maps
The
because they.
summary itself you can use now. Here
Oh,
now we used Note GPT summary, no?
yes.
That you can use it. One more query pod is there. I
Ah.
said no, so I will be showing you query pod. We have.
When Siya ji is there, na, there were some doubts of her also. You were saying
Okay.
something, na, when Siya ji, you can ask now. I sent you also, for Selvi ji, some doubts of Siya ji.
Doubts of 1 second.
You sent
Flow
something.
TV, huh?
That is the Flow TV, ma'am.
Flow
I
TV.
asked in the beginning
Yes,
of the
yes,
class.
yes,
Okay, okay,
yes.
okay. Okay. Fine. See
Neither we
this.
can do in next class if the time is there, not
Yes,
there.
yes.
We can do.
Venetia ji, you just try Flow TV once again with the same instructions what is given. In case if you didn't get next class we can, because we have some simulation tools and all for teaching primary maths and science, not only primary, till 12th standard practical experiments also we can do it. Yes. So that way, after completing that, like this Flow TV, we can have a recap. Yes. Not required. Tasking. Okay. So see, this is QReport is another presentation tool with inbuilt activities. I'll just show you the same way only you can create. Okay. So you have to, but there is a limitation. 4 teaching sessions left this week. So per week you can create only 5, I think, 5 per week in free plan. So it requires like all our details. It will ask us mandatory. After that, just go to my lessons. Already whatever I created is there. Get lesson is you can get the lesson from the existing one. From library you can get it. Get lesson you can just give, type it, like it will ask you to type the prompt. So for social, drawn out, like all these, you can just type here. You can just select like math if you want. Okay. So if you wanted like 6th grade mathematics, it will show you all, see vocabulary practice for math, whiteboard for voting, like all these are there. View all. Already the lessons which is available also it will show you. Otherwise, you have turn your text into lesson, turn your worksheet into lesson, PDF into lesson. You can just click and turn it as a lesson or generate a lesson. You can just click generate a lesson. So what you wanted? I wanted to create a PPT with activities for integers. Integers grade 6 or 7. Grade 6 is enough. Okay, so this I wanted. Just give. It will give you a P. But it will ask you multiple questions where you want to focus, comparing ordering of integers or addition and subtraction. Okay, I'll just take addition and subtraction. It will ask like very specific instruction. Repeatedly, you will get some more questions also. That's where it takes time. Yeah, see here. So subject 6, okay, this is like a short learning objective of it, 30 minutes duration, generate lesson if you give. Okay, classic, fine. I'm just choosing in random. The lesson is generated. You can see here. This is for activity, generating pin for students activity. You can see here, slide by slide. The lesson plan also will be there. A short lesson plan. Okay, what is the objective of the lesson? After that, it will generate the slides. You can see here at the bottom how many slides are being generated. This is all for activity. Already, you know, right, how these activities are conducted. Last time quizzes we have done. Same way only some activities are conducted. Some activities will be like in classroom, you can show it and ask the children whether true or false or discuss upon that. It's going to be like that. Since it's taking time, okay, see here. Yes, mystery mission. You can see something different. You write on an, say first slide is, see, look at the first slide. Since it is generating I couldn't move the first time. If you click drag to move, you can drag it, edit. So second slide, you ride an elevator starting on floor 7. After many smooth stops, you step out. So what is it? Yes, you can ask the question.
Elevator, you mean teaching integers through the movement of elevator.
Exactly. +7, -7, like that. So you are in the basic ground floor if it is. So that is 0. So when the elevator is moving 7 step, it will be +7. When it is moving down, okay. So when we are moving down, right, then it will be the basement and all that. It will be -1 like that. So we can teach them. So further with activities, so you can see here -4 +7, all that. Yes. This Q report, once you generate and see, after that, if it is easy for you, please take it up. You can also delete some slides, whichever you want, you can delete, whichever you want, copy and duplicate, all these can be done. Yes, so around 13 slides were generated. Then you can present it. After that, start now, then you can complete the full lesson with activity. So activity time, feedback, points, answer character limit, everything is there. But this is helpful for online teaching. In offline, excuse me, use only such kind of questions, not this active. You can make it here. Understood? Try to write it in a paper, and collect it. So that's will be like a written assessment. This can be. Yes? Any doubt?
No.
Any doubt, any query till now, please go ahead.
Yes. So
No.
we have seen notebook, note GPT, Q report, Canva, and then Prezi. I just told you the outline of it. Okay. And Gamma, we created one presentation. These are all the presentation tools. So you can use it alternatively. N number of unlimited presentations you can. Yes. Tom is also there, Vismay is also there. But even then, I gave you the best ones, which is appealing, right? Is there any other doubt?
We will be sharing notes of this session in the group
Yes.
also.
Yes.
Please go through it, and if any doubts, please ask. Most important thing, next class will be the last class of this certification course. So be prepared for any doubts, any questions. We will be doing the doubt class also. For some time, 15 minutes we can keep for doubt your questions. So Wednesday will be the last class of this session. Anything else you want to ask? Please go ahead.
Ma'am, these
ma'am.
things will be applicable for the PPT presentation as well as for summarizing the content, right, ma'am?
Exactly. Exactly. You're right.
When we upload some PDF also, that
PPT can be generated. Yes.
that is the content what we need actually.
Yeah,
If we
exactly.
feed them,
Yes.
we'll be getting the exact PPT presentations there.
Exactly. Yes, you're right.
Okay.
Yes, if there are no doubts, I think we can wind up today's session with that.
Yeah, I think we are done with the questions now.
Yes.
Any doubts, please send in the group. We will be answering you there also. We will be sending notes and assignments in the group. And on Wednesday, we will be meeting for the last class of this certification course. So be prepared with your questions, any doubts, any queries, you can ask on Wednesday. Thank you, Poor Selviji, for the interactive session.
Thank you, ma'am.
And thank you everyone for joining us. We will be meeting again on Wednesday now. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Good night.
Good night.